How to naturally release happy hormones in brain. Are you feeling down and need a boost of happiness? It's time to unlock the power of your brain's happy hormones. Meet the 4 superheroes: dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, and endorphins. These chemicals work together to lift your mood and make you feel amazing. First, get moving. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural painkillers that create a sense of euphoria. Plus, it's a great way to stay fit and healthy. Next, indulge in good food. Serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter, is produced when you consume tryptophan-rich foods like turkey, eggs, and spinach. For an oxytocin boost, connect with your loved ones. Hug your partner, cuddle a pet, or hang out with friends, and watch the happiness flow. Lastly, set achievable goals and celebrate your successes. This will enhance dopamine production, motivating you to chase even more happiness. Thank you for watching. Wishing you abundant happiness and vitality on your path to well-being.